Okay, so in this tutorial, we will see how to write, compile, and run a Java program, right? So I will also cover Java syntax, Java codes conventions, and several ways to run a Java program, right? So first, I'm going to start Java with NetBeans. But if you don't have NetBeans in your local machine, you can use Notepad also, right? If you are using Notepad, you have to write the code within the Notepad and you have to save that file with the name .java, right? File name .java, and you have to open the command prompt, go to the particular location where your Notepad is existing, and you have to type Java C space your file name .java in order to run that Java file, right? So here in this video, I'm going to use the NetBeans IDE, right? First we are going to write a simple Java program to print a statement, right? Here we are going to print a statement using Java language. Right, I want to print, this is my first program in Java. So let's see how to write a code to print this simple statement using this Java language, right? First, you have to open a file, new project, Java application, Java with and Java application, and click next. Here you can give any name to your file, your project. So make sure to give a meaningful name to your project, right? So here I'm going to give it as my first Java project. And keep the other things as it is. If you want, you can change the project location and click finish. So here now you can see the Java file, right? So the package is our class name, public class, my first Java project. This is my class. And within this class, I can see the main method. I will explain these things later. Then under this main method, within this main method, you have to write the to-do code. What you want to do in this class should be give within this main method, right? So here what we want to do is we want to print a statement. So you can, if you want, you can write a comment here. We want to print a statement. We are going to print a statement. You can use comments also, right? So how to write a print statement? The code is system dot out dot print ln, right? If you are using this command, you can print a statement. What is the command? System dot out dot print ln. Within brackets and within double quotes, you have to write the statement that you want to print. So if you want to print hello world, you can write that word within this quote, brackets, right? And then you can run the program. So here you can see the statement that you want to print. If you want to print your name, then you just have to give your name within this brackets and run the program. Here you can see the name. Right? And if you want to print that this is my first Java program. Run. So here you can see, right? So this is how you have to this is how you can print a statement using Java language. What is the command? You have to give system.out.println within brackets and within double quotes. You have to give the statement that you want to print. Right? Any questions? So you can change this statement and you can get the output. Right? If you are using Notepad, you can open a Notepad, write the code as it is, save your file as name.java, open a command prompt, go to the particular location where your Notepad is existing, type the command javac space file name.java. Right? Right? So this is the first Java program. So now I will explain these things. So here you can see public class, my first Java project. Public class, my first Java project. So this is the first line of our Java program. Every Java application must have at least one class definition that consists of class keyword followed by class name. When I say keyword, it means that it should not be changed. Right? We can't change the keyword. We should use it as it is. Right? But however, the class name can be anything. Right? So here I have made the class public by using this public access modifier. I will cover access modifier in separate post. All you need to know now that a Java file can have any number of classes, but it can have only one public class and the file name should be same as public class name. So if you are using public class, any other name, the file name should be the same, right? Then public static void main string args, the main method, right? This is our next line in the program. Let's break it down to understand it, right? The first one is public. Public means this makes the main method public. That means that we can call the method from outside the class. We can call this method outside of the class if we are using this public keyword. Then static, we do not need to create object for static methods to run. They can run itself. That's why we are using a static keyword. We do not need to create object for static methods to run. Then void. Void means it does not return anything. If we are using void, the void does not return anything. Main, it is the main method. It is the method name, right? Is the method name. This is the entry point method from which the JVM can run to your program. Then string args used for command line arguments that are passed as strings. Then our print statement, system.out.println. So this is the command that we are using to print a statement. This method prints the content inside the double quotes into the console and inserts a new line after. That's why print ln. It goes to new line after. Right? So here you can change this content and you can get different outputs here. Now try to do that one.